House Bill 7003, having received a constitutional majority, I declare it passed.
No Jim Crow! No Jim Crow! No Jim Crow! No Jim Crow!
Show me what democracy looks like! Hands up!
And we who will not bow down, we who will not quit, we
Three districts they drew. One has 29% African Americans, the second has 29% African Americans, and the third has, they said, 31% African Americans. Somebody who drew the map, or told the guy to draw the map, because they do it with computers, and somebody told them, divide the black vote up in the three districts where they are a minority and they don't have enough influence to elect a member of their own choosing.